Welcome to Nari Sekhi, and today let's see how to cook perfectly asparagus in a pan. So first thing first, rinse asparagus nicely with water. And now the last part of the asparagus is very thick and not easily chewable or digestible. So break it. The point where it breaks is the right point to cut it, and the remaining stalks you can use to make vegetable stock. Now there are leaf-like thing on the asparagus. I don't know what is the correct word for it, but if it's not tender, take it out. Don't have to be fancy and use a knife. Just with fingers it works. So if it's not tender, then I would take it out. So this way your asparagus are ready to cook for any recipe. So this is the perfect way to make asparagus ready. Now boil some water, and once the water is boiled, add asparagus. The tip is keep the asparagus in this boiling water maximum for 2 minutes. So between 1.5 minutes and 2 minutes, depending on the tenderness of the asparagus. And see, they will change the color once they're in the hot water. But if you keep it for a longer time, they'll become mushy, and that dirty green color will come, which I don't like personally. So this is the perfect time to take them out of water. See how bright and green they are. And they're not mushy, they remain, that crunchiness remains. Now let's prepare the dressing. Olive oil. For a change, sometimes I use coconut oil, but olive oil is my favorite. Salt. I'm using Himalayan pink salt, any salt of your choice. Black pepper. Lemon juice. And then mix it very well. And our dressing is ready. So just pour it on the asparagus, and you can make this dish last minute when guests arrive. So very easy to make, very healthy, and it's a good side dish, a perfect one. It goes with sandwiches, soup, with any rice item. So keep in mind to break the part, and that's a perfect breaking point. Use the stalks to make vegetable stock, and then don't keep it in water for more than 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Bye.